Everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Automating your Trello workflow with Pipedrive can significantly streamline your project management. In today's video, I will guide you through setting up this automation to enhance your productivity. First, we will use Zapier to connect Trello with Pipedrive. So log into Zapier and create a new Zap. Set Trello as the trigger app and choose the specific action you want to automate. Next, select Pipedrive as the action app in Zapier. You can choose actions like creating a deal, updating a contact, or moving a deal through your pipeline whenever a task is completed in Trello. Now customize the workflow by mapping Trello fields to Pipedrive fields. For example, you can map Trello card titles to Pipedrive deal names and Trello due dates to Pipedrive deadlines. So once everything is set up, test the automation. Move a card in Trello to see if the corresponding action occurs in Pipedrive. Now if the automation works as expected, turn on your Zap. And that's how you automate Trello workflow with Pipedrive using Zapier. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.